students, once again welcome to Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School Malda online classes. Myself Deshmukh Apeksha. Student, today we are going to learn the 12 months. So student, in previous 7 lectures we had seen that in this very beautiful story. The story is about the one poor girl Morokula, and in this story in previous lecture we had seen that Morokula went to the forest. Means Helena and her stepmother sent to Morokula in forest to bring some apples. And when Morokula bring only 2 apples, then Helena wanted to some more apples. So now Helena decided to go into the forest. So student, now we see what happened with Morokula and what happened with Helena and her stepmother. So you open your textbook and listen carefully. I will explain. Student, open your English textbook, page number 12, lesson number 5, the 12 months. So student, now see last paragraph. Mother, give me my fur coat. Let's go to the forest ourselves and get the apples that ragged little wretch. Means student, now in previous lecture we had seen that the Helena and stepmother want to some more apples. Then Helena said that, Mother, give me my fur coat. So what is meaning of fur coat, student? So fur coat is a coat made from animal fur. It is called fur coat and it is used for protection of our body in very cool places in snow. So student, it is called fur coat. So we see that the mother and also Helena and Morokula lives in very snow, means very cool place. So Helena said that, Mother, give me my fur coat and let's go to the forest ourselves. Means ourselves, Helena and mother want to go forest and get the apples. Now that ragged little wretch would eat them all up again on her way home. We will find the place all right and I will shake them all down, however they shout at me. Means student, Helena said that rag means old and torn, and wretch means a poor unhappy person. So student, Helena said that the Morokula is rag means untidy, not looking good, and wretch means very poor and also unhappy. So she said that Morokula, when we wanted some more apples, so when we again sent to the Morokula, she eat the all apple in way of home. So now we will going to the forest and we will find the place all right. Means and I will shake them. Means Helena said that I will shake the apple tree and when all apple fall down in the ground, at that time we collect this apple. And however they shout at me, means if their 12 months are shouted at me, so I will shake all down. Means I will shake the tree all apples and I will collect all apples. However, the 12 months are shout at me. Now next paragraph. Listen carefully, student. Her mother agreed readily. They wrapped themselves in fur coats and shawls and off they went to the forest. So student, now her mother, means Helena mother, agreed very easily and they wrap means covered. They covered with themselves in fur coats and also shawl because it is very cool atmosphere. So they covered themselves in fur coat and also shawls and they went to the now forest. So now next paragraph. The snow lay deep and they wandered about for a long time. But at last they saw the top of the mountain where the big fire was burning and the 12 months were sitting. They stepped up to the fire and stretched out their hands to warm them without asking permission or speaking one polite word. So student, the snow lay deep means there is very snow fall in the ground means all floor is covered with snow. All ground is all floor is covered with snow. And they wonder means go here and there, all forest. They wandered about for a long time, very time they wander here and there. But at last they saw the top of the mountain, and where is the big fire, and also 12 months are sitting on 12 stones. And they step means they forward up to the fire, and stretch means to pull something, and pull their hands. Oh, why? Because there is very cool and they wanted to warm their hands, and without asking permission, and they, Miss Helena and mother, don't ask to permission of 12 months, and they warm their hands, and they without asking one polite word means they did not request to the 12 months. When Morokula goes to the fire at that time, she asked very polite to January month, can I warm my hands to fire? But Helena and mother, without asking permission, without speaking one polite word, they warm their hands. Then January month asked to the mother and Helena, why have you come here, and what are you looking for? Asked great January crossly. Crossly means very quietly. Then January month asked to the Helena, why have you come here? Why you come here? And what you find? What are you looking for? Then next line, why do you want to know, you old fool? Replied Helena angrily. It's no business of yours, said her mother. And then when great January asking to some question of Helena and mother, at that time Helena very angrily speaking, why do you want to know, you old fool? And she called to January month fool means you are very foolish and also old, and it's no business of your. And also mother said that it's none of your business mean it is no your work, it's no business of yours means you are not right to asking some question to me or my daughter. So student, you understand up to here? So student, in next lecture we see next paragraph. Okay student, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.